Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure the headset has power and the wireless dongle is connected. Plug the USB dongle into a rear USB port for best signal and charge the headset to at least 50% so firmware updates won't fail. Once done, power on the headset and set it to pairing mode. The LED will blink. Make sure your PC's sound device settings show the new USB audio device, because that confirms the physical connection before any software steps. Now you'll install Corsair iCUE to manage audio, EC, and firmware. Download and run iCUE, then allow it to install required drivers and perform any firmware updates. This ensures optimal performance and mic gain calibration. After updates complete, open Windows Sound Settings and set the Corsair headset as default playback and recording. Make sure to test audio and mic in iCUE and system settings. If volume seems low, adjust the finish by customizing EQ, surround, mic sidetone, and chat/game mixes in iCUE so audio matches your preference. Test in a call and in-game to confirm balance. Make sure the headset is selected in each app. If audio cuts or mic fails, try swapping the dongle to another USB port or a powered hub to rule out power issues. If problems continue, restart the headset and PC, repair the dongle, and run a firmware reset in iCUE as your primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.